Good morning, families and friends. You see, my topic for this morning is when church and state unite. You see, history shows us that whenever religion and government unite, freedom is lost. And the Bible gives us vivid pictures of this danger. You see, in Daniel chapter 3, King Nebuchadnezzar builds a golden statue and commands everyone to bow down or burn. You see, that's religion enforced by law. Later in Daniel chapter 6, a decree forbids prayer to anyone except the king. Again, civil power dictates worship. Fast forward in Revelation chapter 13, we see a beast that forces all, small and great, rich and poor, to worship, even controlling who can buy or sell. You see, in Revelation 17, a woman symbolizing an apostate church rides a beast representing the state power. You see, the imagery is clear. When church and state merge, the result is control, corruption, and persecution. But Jesus gave us a better way. In Matthew chapter 22:21, he said, "Render to Caesar the things that are Caesar's, and to God the things that are God's." In other words, keep the two separate. You see, government should protect freedom, but only God should direct worship. Here's the big idea. See, true faith cannot be legislated. It must be chosen. You see, the moment church and state unite, love is replaced with force, and God is misrepresented. So today, the challenge is simple. Value freedom of conscience, not just for yourself, but for others too, because real worship can only come from a willing heart. God bless.